All right, guys, we got the bed stripped off of my boy's truck and got everything sprayed down basically with oven cleaner. Whatever it'll take off the back here is fine, but what it don't, we're going to pressure wash it. Then the next step will be to take it in the garage, pull this rear end out, which it's got brand new springs in it. It's a GT5 code in the glove box, which tells me it's a 410 gear. So most all the 410s were posies. So we'll put the rear end, clean it up. It'll go up for sale. Anybody that's interested in it. It springs the whole mess, not the tires and wheels. Get the gas tank out, cut it in half, throw it in the scrap trailer, which is over there. And we're going to get it inside. Start getting the rest of this crap you don't want gutted out of it, off of it. Wire wheel the frame. I don't know, I might run it down to a buddy, and he said he'd sandblast it for me real quick. Wouldn't charge me nothing, or he said I can show you how to do it and let you do it. He said you can do it your own damn self, but I might do that. Might help do it a little, get it cleaned up a little quicker. We spent a lot of days, my kids did, with wire wheels and cut brushes and stuff on grinders and drills doing my chassis when I first put the truck together. But, and bed sitting over there, tailgate, little toolbox and the bed liner out of it. But, yeah, it's pretty good shape on the inside. He's wanting to keep the dash, put gauges in it. I don't know if he thinks he's going to keep the seats, but I don't know yet. They all work fine. Pretty decent little stereo in it. He'll probably take out and put in something else, but might leave it in here, I don't know. But we got to get the dash out so we can get the inner heater box and all that's going to come out. Get rid of it, because I don't know if anybody makes a non-AC box for this, so we can put the heater back in it, but I don't think he's worried about it. Power brake booster is going to come off. Wiper motor is going to come off. He's not going to run the wipers on it. We have decided it will be a ProCharge small block. I think he's going to order the short block from Steve Schmidt. I think it's a 431 cubic inch. Don't quote me on that, but it's just a already assembled short block. It'll be set up for power adder. It was cheaper to go through him that way than it was anybody else and get a better engine than you would like through Blueprint or some of these others, but I think it's a Bryant Bracket Buster short block is what he's looking at. Or Steve Schmidt Bracket Buster. Not Bryant. Well, I keep thinking Bryant. I got Bryant on the brain. But, yep. Yeah, I got tarps on the ground. I did it to kill the grass back here. Shit's impervious to any weed killer on the market, it seems like. But, yeah. Got one headlight pocket that's got a little scaly surface rust in it. We'll clean all that out. I got a small sandblaster I can use on that with a compressor. Little toolbox. I think he's going to sell it. Find somebody that wants it. Most of the time we end up giving stuff away. You know, like I said, we've already paid for it, so might as well pass on to somebody else that can use it. Pay it forward, pay it forward. So, I got to get all this ready to haul off, get rid of it. But that's what we're going to do. Took the grandson in to go to the bathroom, and we went and got him today. Went and mowed the backyard at my daughter's. And my daughter and I had a few words, because it's her and a girlfriend of hers. They're living there. You know, they've got a mower. They've got everything they need to mow the grass, but neither one of them will get off their butt and go out and mow the yard. I went over there, and I'm not kidding you. The yard in the back was as tall as I am in places. As tall as I am. I almost thought I was going to have to go get a tractor and a brush hog and take it over there and take the fence down to go back there and mow the damn backyard. It was ridiculous. I don't know what kind of grass it is. It kind of looks like a cross between cornstalk and wheat. I mean, big, tall ass shit, big fat stalks. And of course me, I take a little 24 horse riding mower over there to mow it, and a weed eater and a push mower, and it was all that. I had to mow it with the deck all the way up, then turn around and mow it with the deck down. It took us about 2 hours just to mow the backyard, and there's still some little stalks sticking up. You know, I'm gonna go back over there in a week and take the bigger mower over there and mow it. Have to take the zero turn. See just how bad the bad boy is, and take it over there and mow all of it real good and chop all that shit up, and then weed eat it. And then I'm gonna have to run the sweeper over it, pick up all the excessive grass that don't kill what's there, and get it out of there and bag it up and throw it out for the trash. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready here in a minute. I'm gonna fire this pressure washer up. I don't think you guys want to watch me pressure wash the truck, but just another little update on the boys' truck. So as we go along, it'll get more interesting. Like I said, we got the steel ordered. We'll pick it up tomorrow. So I ain't unhooked my truck because it's 21-foot sticks. So I'll throw it on the trailer. Like I said, they're only like 6 blocks from the house. Brown's Field Service. So I'm gonna cut it off and get to work pressure washing this, since he took the grandson in to go poop. So everybody stay safe, God bless, and as we start doing more and more to it, we'll start making video of all of it. But like I said, right now watching me pressure wash it ain't that interesting. So later.